As they neared the village, the child could see many other footpaths full of throngs. Throngs means huge crowds. Covering means gathering to whirlpool of the fair, and felt at once repelled and fascinated by the confusion of the world he was entering. Here the word whirlpool means kind of in Hindi we call it bhavar. So here also in the fair we have got a kind of कह सकते हैं ये लोगों का भंवर था जिसमें गोल गोल they all people were going round and coming back to the same place. So as they went nearer to the village, they found that all the people were walking and there was a huge crowd and they all were gathering and going towards the fair, and there was a kind of whirlpool there. Okay, and now here as he entered the huge world, the confusing world, he was scared to see the people, but he was attracted towards the fair, the village fair. A sweet seller hawked gulab jamuns, rasgulla, burfi, jalebi. At the corner of the entrance, a crowd pressed round his corner at the foot of an architecture of many colored sweets, decorated with leaves of silver and gold. The child stared open eyed, and his mouth watered for burfi, that was his favorite sweet. I want that burfi, he slowly murmured. So at the entrance there was a sweet shop where different sweets were displayed in a beautiful architectural way. Architectural way means it was displayed in various shapes, and it was covered with decorated silver gold foil, and the child's eye was just like it was fixed and he was staring at the sweets. His mouth was full of water because burfi was his favorite sweet. Okay, so he demanded in a very low tone because he already knew that the parents will never listen and fulfill his desire. But he half knew as he begged that his plea would not be heeded because his parents would say he was greedy. So without waiting for an answer, he moved. So here he knew that nobody is going to pay any attention. Heeded means pay attention to. So he knew that nobody was going to pay any attention towards his request. So he just moved without listening for any answer or waiting for any answer. A flower seller hawked, a garland of gulmohar, a garland of gulmohar. The child seemed irresistibly drawn. He went towards the basket where the flowers lay heaped and half murmured, I want that garland. Here garland is like a necklace of flowers. Gulmohar is a kind of flower. So here we notice that he next sees the garland and now he wants a garland. So children are like that only. But he knew well his parents would refuse to buy him those flowers because they would say that they were cheap. So without waiting for any answer, he moved on. So first he thought that his parents would say that he is greedy, and now he is thinking that the parents are going to say that the flowers or the garland was very cheap. So ultimately he didn't stop there and he moved on. A man stood holding a pole with yellow, red, green and purple balloons flying from it. The child was simply carried away by the rainbow glory of their silken colors, and he was filled with an overwhelming desire to possess them all. Here overwhelming means very strong desire. So as he saw the balloons, he was so much attracted towards the balloons and he was attracted towards the rainbow colors, and somehow he was trying to control himself. But he well knew his parents would never buy him the balloons because they would say he was too old to play with such toys. So he walked on further. So here the child is already known that his parents have got different reasons for not buying various things for him. A snake charmer stood playing a flute to a snake which coiled itself in a basket, its head raised in a graceful bend like neck of a swan, while the music stole into its invisible ears like the gentle rippling of an invisible waterfall. Now we have a snake charmer also in this fair. Snake charmer means सपेरा था, वो बीन बजा रहा था, और स्नेक था वो ऐसे कुंडली लगा करके बास्केट में बैठा हुआ था. ओके, नाउ व्हाई डज द राइटर सेज दैट इट्स हेड रेज्ड इन अ ग्रेसफुल बेंड लाइक अ नेक ऑफ स्वान? It was because the snake's head was raised like a swan. It was listening the music with its invisible ears, means the ears were not visible, but the snake was listening the rippling of that flute, and it was as if the snake was enjoying the sound so much, and just like he was mesmerized by the effect of the flute, the sound of the flute. The child went towards the snake charmer, but knowing his parent had forbidden him to hear such coarse music as the snake charmer played, he proceeded farther. Now here forbidden means not allowed. So the child was not allowed by the parents to hear such kind of unpleasant, coarse means unpleasant music which was played by the snake charmer. So remembering that, he proceeded and moved forward. There was a roundabout in full swing. Men, women and children, carried away in whirling motion, shrieked and cried with dizzy laughter. The child watched them intently, and then he made a bold request. I want to go on roundabout, please, father, mother. Dizzy means chakkar aana. Then only he noticed a roundabout which was in full swing, and all the people who were sitting in it were just like they were going in whirling motion, means वो सब गोल गोल जा रहे थे और सभी बहुत ज़ोर से हंस रहे थे और साथ में शोर भी मचा रहे थे. Now here intently means ध्यान से. The child saw those people who were sitting in the roundabout very carefully, and then he went to his parents, and with a very bold request he said, Father, mother, I want to go to the roundabout, please. As they neared the village, the child could see many other footpaths full of throngs. Throngs means huge crowds. Covering means gathering to whirlpool of the fair, and felt at once repelled and fascinated by the confusion of the world he was entering.